Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to connect your Shopify store with botbaba. So the very first step is that we have to create a private app on our Shopify store. We'll go to our Shopify store, click on apps, scroll down and select manage private apps. Click on create private app. And enter all the details here. Private app name will be botbaba and emergency developer email will be admin@botbaba.io. Now scroll down and select Show Inactive Admin API Permission. Over here we need to give read access permission to assign fulfillment orders, customers, fulfillment services, orders, and third-party fulfillment orders. Now scroll down and select the webhook API version as 2010 and click on Save. Click on Create App. And now to see the generated API key, you have to go back. The API key is generated. Now to see the password, you have to click on private app name. Over here we can see the API key as well as the password. Now we'll go back to botbaba and add the API key and password in Shopify integration. To do so, click on Actions, select Integration, scroll down to Shopify, click on Private App and enter all the details here. So the shop domain will be your store name. .myshopify.com. We'll copy the API key and password from Shopify. Click on Save and Close. So that's how the integration process is complete. Now we'll move on to creating webhook and using triggers in action. So the first step we'll perform is how to create webhooks. So go back to your Shopify store, click on Settings, select Notifications, scroll down, click on Create Webhooks. So over here in Event, you can see many events over here. However, botbaba can only handle 7 events which are listed in the knowledge base article. So over here I'll go for order payment. Format will be JSON. URL you can copy from the knowledge base article. Over here you can see the 7 events that are handled by botbaba. So you can create any of these events and copy the URL for the same from here. I'll copy the URL for order payment. And paste it. So the webhook API version again will be 2010 and click on Save. Now you can see the event has been created, and you can do the same for the remaining 6 events too. Moving on to triggers in action, we come back to botbaba and go to triggers and actions by selecting trigger and actions. Click on add new. Action name, I'll save it as Shopify. Trigger. So over here in trigger, you need to select triggers under Shopify and not under botbaba.io. So since I've triggered an event called auto payment, over here also I select auto payment and send Telegram message and add action. You need to fill in all the details here. We've already filled in all the details in another bot, so I'll just show it to you. For Telegram, you need to add the chat ID, the bot token, and the template message along with the variables, and click on Save Action. For WhatsApp, you need to add the variable here. So you can just type phone here, and you can, for the number, you can select billing address phone, shipping address phone, or customer phone. But the most preferable is billing address phone. Next, in message, you again enter the template message along with the variables and select the block. Select the block from where you want to resume the chat after WhatsApp message is sent. Click on Save Action and then click on Save. So now on any new order that is received on Shopify, botbaba will trigger these 2 actions. It will send WhatsApp to the buyer, and it will notify the store admin on Telegram. We can also send email to the buyer, set up a self-notification via Telegram or any other custom action if possible using HTTP request. So this is how we complete the connection of Shopify store with botbaba. Thank you.